I35equipment.com. Today we're in the Bobcat T595 track compact loader skid steer. We're going to be showing you how to go between ISO and H pattern controls for your skid steer. H pattern is pretty basic in that the left joystick back and forward and reverse is going to be your left track, and the right joystick is going to be forward and back. It's going to be your right track. The left and right functions of both those are going to control your boom. Now, if you prefer where one stick controls one joystick controls the tracks and one joystick controls the bucket, you're going to want to have it on ISO. The way you switch between these is go ahead and turn your key to the on position. Before you hit any other buttons, you're just going to go ahead and select it here on this rocker switch. We're going to go to ISO, which is actually my personal preference, but it's nice to have different options for different folks. Once you have it there, you can go ahead and fire up the machine. Once you select that you're ready to operate and you have your seat bar down, your safety bar, just go ahead and hit that button right there. You're ready to operate, and you'll notice that it's in the control pattern you've selected. So right now, this is going to be ISO, which is this joystick on the right is going to control all your bucket functions. And the joystick on your left, we'll give it a little honk, is going to be your tracks, forward, reverse, right, and left. I do hope that video is very beneficial to you. Always consult your operator's manual. And if you happen to be in the market for used equipment, you can see your full and up-to-date inventory of consignment machinery on the website at I35equipment.com. Hope you have a wonderful day.